In this video, we will describe our test at PT Mitra Inovasi Unggul or MIU. MIU is a software house specializing in IT inventory and accounting system located in Central Jakarta. Please watch our video.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning. We are a club that target to work from PT MIU or Mitra Inovasi Unggul. Let me introduce our team. My name is Badr Abdullah.
My name is Nathaniel Satya Fusel.
My name is Daryl Kurega Sukawara.
My name is Adel Samadani.
And my name is Galut Maiswara Tatar Pandita.
My name is Muhammad Ilyas.
My name is Robia Baduya. My name is Hana Kairunisa.
During my 4 months of internship at the PT MIU, my main responsibility was working as a quality control or QC for the website development by the company. My task was to test the website carefully to ensure that all the features work properly and according to the expected functional. During the testing process, I searched for a bug or error that might appear in the system. Whenever I found a bug, I documented it early and reported it to my supervisor so that the development team could fix the issue. This process helped ensure that the website were stable and function correctly before being used. The website that I tested were a warehouse-based management system. I worked on testing not just one, but 2 different websites that related to warehouse operation. In addition to finding and reporting bug, I was also assigned to create testing video. In this video, I demonstrated how I test each feature of the website. This includes going through every available function by step to show whenever the feature worked correctly or if there were any problem. Through this internship experience, I gained valuable knowledge about website testing, bug reporting, and how quality control works in a real company environment.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Badr Abdullah. I'm currently doing my internship at MIU or Mitra Inovasi Unggul. During my internship, my main responsibility is quality control. Quality control means checking a website to make sure everything works properly and that there are no bugs or errors that could affect the user experience. In this task, we check many parts of the website such as buttons, menus, pages, forms, and other features. We test whether each feature works correctly or not. If we find a problem or a bug, we record it so it can be fixed later. To record our work, we use Google Spreadsheet. We use Google Spreadsheet because it allows us to collaborate with our teammates in real time. This means we can work on the same file together, update the data, and see change instantly. This makes teamwork much easier and more efficient. Now I will show an example of how we perform the quality control process. First, we log in to the account that has already been provided. After logging in, we go to the menu or page that we want to test or check. Next, we carefully check the website to see whether there are any bugs or problems. For example, we check if a button works properly, if a page loads correctly, or if a feature functions as expected. If we find a bug, we record the problem in the spreadsheet, so it can be reviewed and fixed later. If there is no bug, we still record the result in the spreadsheet and write down the fields or features that exist on the page of the website. Besides, besides checking the website for bugs, we also received another task during our internship. Our additional task is translating the website content. The original language website is Indonesian, and we translate it to English and traditional Mandarin. In the spreadsheet, we also add descriptions or explanations about the function of each field, button, or feature on the website. This helps people understand what each part of the website is used for. By doing this task, we learn how a website is structured and how each feature works from the user's perspective. Even though we have not started coding yet, this internship gives us valuable experience. We learn how to analyze a website, how to test a system, how to document problems, and how to collaborate with a team.
Hello everyone, my name is Darrell, and I am one of the students from SMK Negeri 1 Depok who participated in the on-the-job training program. In this part, I will explain some of the tasks that I worked on during my internship. First, here, I am showing Google Sheets where I recorded the results of website quality control. In this sheet, I list the web page that I checked, the type of bug or issue that I found, and a short description of the problem. For example, if a button did not work, a link was broken, or the layout was not displayed correctly, I documented it in these sheets so the developer team could review and fix it. Next, this sheet contains my website translation work. I translate several web elements such as headers, paragraphs, and menu text into different languages including Indonesian, English, and Mandarin. This task helps make the website more accessible for international users. Finally, this is Google Docs where I wrote explanation about the functions and features of the website. This documentation helps explain how each part of the website works and keeps the information organized. Through this internship experience, I improved my skills in website analysis, documentation, and professional communication. Thank you.
Greetings everyone, my name is Galuh Maheswara Tahta Pandita, and I'm currently completing my internship program. Today, I will briefly outline my professional responsibilities during my tenure. Firstly, my primary task was involved quality control for the company's website. I was responsible for identifying technical bugs and conducting thorough analysis to propose effective solutions, ensuring a seamless user experience. And secondly, I managed data localization. I extracted website elements into Google Sheets and translated them into Indonesian, English, and Mandarin. This ensures the platform is accessible to a broader global audience. And lastly, I was in charge of technical documentations. I meticulously recorded the function of various buttons, submodules, and page filtering using Google Docs and to serve as a comprehensive guide for the system. This internship has provided me with invaluable insights into professional web maintenance and quality assurance. I'm confident that the skills I have developed will be a strong foundation for my future career. And that's all. Thank you for your time. This is me. I am Galuh Maheswara Tahta Pandita.
Hi, my name is Hana Kairunisa.
I would like to share my experiences during my on-the-job training. First, I was responsible for quality control of the inventory website companies built for clients. My main task was to ensure all website features and contents function perfectly according to company standards before the final delivery. I also recorded all the test results systematically using Google Sheets to maintain high-quality documentation. Second, I worked as a trilingual translator. I translate website content into 3 languages: English, Mandarin, and Indonesian. To ensure accuracy for both local and international audience, I manage all the translate text through Google Sheets for better organization. And my main role was assisting the employee in managing administration and communication. 1. I assisted in responding to routines client inquiries in WhatsApp group to ensure fast and responsive communication. 2. I attended around 10 meetings with various clients. I took notes on key decisions and specific requests, which I then summarized into Discord threads as official company archive. And 3. I monitored client groups to recap technical bugs and feature requests. I successfully explained and reported about 20 small-scale issue to the technical team via Discord. Throughout this task, I worked closely under the guidance of my supervisor. This experience has greatly improved my communication and professional skill. That's all from me. Thank you for the attention.
Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Ilyas and Perban Usair Karmi Ilyas. During my internship program at MIU, get me my new and valued request. This program gave me an opportunity to define experience what it is feeling like to work in a real workplace. From his internship and learning my important is to had value of decision being responsible for complete tasks and so to work well will our are part of a team. In addition, I also gained a lot of making get and appreciate that I had never learning at school before. His opportunity ready me broaden my knowledge and improved my skill. I also felt very support will work environment and meal was comfortable and has supervision. I was profit when good and support during my internship. So at impressive, I became more motivated to keep learning, improve my life and prepare for my future career. Finally, and work to assist my seekers gathered to enroll in MIU for giving me the opportunity to take my enhanced internship and for decision to and value explain.
Hello, my name is Nathaniel Satria Visel. I joined the internship program at PT Mitra Inovasi Unggul for 4 months as part of vocational training software development. During my internship, I work on several tasks that change both my technical and documentation skill. These include performing quality control on company website, especially the CISA 4, submodules such as BC documents, ref, tanda tangan, and ref TPIs. 2. Preparing quality control reports to monitor data accuracy and work consistent. 3. Creating and standardizing Google Sheet for internal tagging and reporting. 4. Design Swimlane flowchart for the sales module to visual process responsible. I was asked the tasks to ensure that the company system were creatable, user-friendly, and ready for user and client use. The QC process helped detect error, maintain consistency, and improve documentation standards. Through this assessment, I learned how to organize information, present achievement, and support teamwork in professional environment. The internship improved my skill in teamwork, documentation, and using English for technical reporting. I also gained hands-on experience in quality control, debugging, and presenting work follows clearer. That's why my personal internship journey. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Robiatul Adawiyah. During my internship at MIU, I got many good, valuable experience. During the internship, I studied and I did my tasks from home. Even I work from home, I still receive greet from my supervisor from MIU, Miss Fangka, Miss Jovin, and Miss Umi. I was greeted by Miss Umi for about 1 week. At MIU, I learned many new things about the real work environment. I also learned to be more disciplined, responsible for my tasks, and to work independently. Some of my tasks during the internship, we are doing quality control or QC and on website modules and translating website content into other language. From tasks, I learned to be careful and understand how a website works. The internship experience made me more confident and motivated to keep learning and improve my skill.
That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.